So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my shower head. This works miracles because I don't have to do it in the kitchen no more. I'm gonna just lay it there while that's and start running some water on these clothes so that the tub can fill back up. That way I can rinse it and add my fabric softener to the tub. It's filling up, filling up, filling up. Let's see. I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I can turn it off. I can turn it off because all the water has drained off. I'm going to put it back on the normal setting. That way it can start filling back up. I'm going to take the hose and connect it back on the side. And I'm going to add a little bit of fabric softener to the water. Just a little bit, not too much. And then otherwise filling up. It may take you a little longer to get your laundry done, but baby, when I tell you this really comes in handy, I don't have no complaints. So if you're thinking about getting one of these, if you live in a community that doesn't have wash and dry connection, or you live in a dorm style housing, or you know, RV setting or anything like that, this is something that's a good investment to have. You won't go wrong with this. So it's filling up. Wait till it fills up. Get enough water over the clothes. Got that hot water in there going. You don't know if you have too many clothes inside either, because it won't act right. It won't, you know, turn. I had to learn that it won't wash, and you really don't want to add too much. You want your clothes to get clean. You just add just enough. Fill it up. Hold on and start turning it on. Yep. I call this like a little rinse cycle. Rinse and close on. You want to do it a couple times, however many times you want to do it. Turn off the lid. Y'all may ask, so what do you do to dry the clothes? This side, the skin side or the dry side, it gets the clothes, if you let it run its course, it'll pretty much wring out the majority of the water. Sometimes I take the clothes to like the dryer, but I have one of those drying racks that I put up inside the living room, and I just, you know, hang the clothes on the drying rack, and in a few hours they're dry, because this pretty much dries a lot of the water out, like the majority of it. The clothes really come out damp. It's not soaking wet or anything like that. So yeah. So I'll let that get for 9 minutes, then I'll show you how I spin them. Get them ready to hang up. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. I'm just getting started with creating content, making videos, posting, anything, any ideas you all have, anything that you want to share or talk about, leave it in the comment section and I will reply to you. I appreciate all the love, all the support. Just bring it on. Here for it. So for the sake of this video and not doing too much, I'm gonna go ahead and drain this water off. Drain it off. And it's coming out clear, so that lets me know that clothes are not full of dirt. They're clean. I'm sure some of that little darkness comes from those jeans, but as far as dirt, this wash machine, portable wash machine gets the job done. So it's draining off all of the water. Like I said, this is a pair of pants. I think it was 3 shirts and a pair of shorts. So I'm gonna take, and it's getting hot in here, that hot water. Okay, I'm gonna take, this is one of the shirts. I'm gonna drop it in over here. This is another shirt and a pair of shorts. And you just drop it in there. Put this flap, it comes with a flap. This is drop on it, holds the clothes down, and what I do is I push it down on top of the clothes. My spin side, dryer side, is not working right. So what I do, because it has to be closed down in order for it to spin, so what I do is I add a little weight on top of mine. In order for it to work, it still does the same thing. I hold it down and you'll hear it spin in a few seconds. It's spinning. And it's draining out. The water is draining. Yep. So it's a couple of days before Thanksgiving. I'm really excited about that. I love the holidays. I love the vibes. I love to cook. I love to eat. So I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving coming up this week. It's on 4. Going around. I'm gonna stop it. Because that normally does it. I don't let it go all the way through. Lift it up. I want to show you how dry. No water. No water. Really dry. Clothes are almost dry. Dry. So yes. These are the jeans. I'm gonna drop those down in there with the remaining of the clothes. Put the strap on top of it. Get my weight, put it on top of there. Hold it down. It's fairly quiet. It doesn't make a lot of noise. Yeah. I'm gonna let this one go a little longer because of those jeans. You know, those jeans hold a little bit more water in them. dry, y'all. Check it out now. So if you're thinking about getting you a portable wash machine, go for it. Thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll be back again. See y'all later.